my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay guys, so today's video is another open invitation video, okay? And it is being hosted by Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living. And we are doing a Sunday Tablescape. And just to tell you a little bit about Lynn, Lynn does tablescapes along with cooking hauls, cooking, thrift finds, home decor, and DIYs along with inspiring others, okay? Now, what Tablescape Sunday is, it is a way to showcase your tablescape with different themes every other Sunday. Now, we as a group, which is Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, and myself, Diva Decorating. And what we do is we support each other's channels, and we help grow each other's channels one subscriber at a time. And we generally support other channels as well. So if you would like to jump on in when we're doing our Tablescape Sundays, we would love to have you. Now make sure that if you like the things that Miss Lynn's doing over on her channel, please go over and give her some love and give her some support along with all the rest of us, okay? Now, let me give you the rules for Tablescape Sunday. Now, rule number 1 is, let me get to it, y'all. Okay, you must be subscribed to all the host channel and link their channels in your description box and the playlist. Number 2, mention all the hosts in your video and show them some love. Number 3, we ask that you use the colors red and white or pink and white, okay? So let me show you real quick. Now that doesn't mean you're going to use red, white, and pink. There's a twist. She wants you to use either the red and white, which I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see here, or the pink and white. As you can see here, I have my red roses, and I just have a white placemat here, fur placemat, or you can use these colors, the pink and the white. It is totally up to you. Okay, and I'm going to turn the camera back around to me. Okay, and let's see, number 4, title your video Tablescape Sunday Valentine 2020 and use the hashtag Tablescape Sunday Valentine 2020. Number 5, add your video to the playlist. Number 6, upload anytime after midnight, February 9th, 2020. Number 7, just have Valentine's fun. I mean, we want to see you just have fun using your colors, red and white or pink and white. Be very creative, guys, okay? Now, that was it for the open collab info. I just want to give you some more info about the giveaway. You have one more day to enter the giveaway. I will leave the link to the video that you can go type and enter me on down in my description box, okay? And also, guys, I noticed that some people were not subscribed to me on Instagram, which was one of the rules, okay? So, if you have a different YouTube name than Instagram name, please leave me that Instagram name down in that, on that video as well, okay? So I can go over and make sure that you are following me over there, okay? So you can still be entered, okay? So that's it for the contest rules, guys. Don't forget to follow all of these ladies and subscribe to their channels and show them some love over there. So until next time, guys, bye bye, my loves.